guys, and welcome to another video. So today we are looking at the new 8 megapixel 4K ColorVu over Analogue BNC. Okay, so this is a brand new camera from Hikvision, been much anticipated. We're just going to do a quick video today, unboxing the video and showing you what it's like inside. So as you see, there's our model number. It's a little bit blurry, but I'll put it on the link below. You'll be able to see the model number, don't worry about that. Let's go ahead and open the camera up. Okay, so what we got? So regular useless instructions from Hikvision. We don't need any of these. Quick start guides. Okay, screws, standard screws from Hikvision. Okay, so we've got the obviously now we've got the twin cable because it's not 4-in-1 PoC, which is handy. And here is our camera. We have a drill template, we don't need that. And we have a little mounting bracket that they provide as well. So let's just have a quick look at the camera. It comes with a nice silver trim on the lens, which is a nice little touch they've done. You've got metal body, plastic outer casing, and in the back here, you can fit a little bit of cable in here, but you won't be able to squeeze in a whole BNC from the cable, unfortunately. Almost there, but not there. So that's your basic camera. You can obviously rotate it, and let me show you how the backplate works quickly. So this is our backplate. Obviously, the flat smooth side goes on the wall. So we're just gonna pop the cables through. And then what you do is just imagine this camera is mounted now on the wall. Okay, all you do is put on here, twist the camera, and that's it. Literally just twist it on. Okay, and there we go. So mount the plate, back to the wall, put on the camera, twist, done. Nice, easy, and quick installation. Alright, so that is the new Hikvision 8 megapixel turret. Feel free to get in contact with us if you're interested, and leave any comments, and see you on another video. Thanks, cheers, bye.